Hi, I got this 2018 Mazda CX-5 all-wheel drive. Gonna do a oil change reset light. So first thing you do, you turn the ignition on. Click it twice, everything comes on. And to do the maintenance reset, so you go here on this knob. So you go side to side, it scrolls, and you go on the applications, press on the knob, go vehicle status monitor, press OK, and maintenance, press OK, and you should see tire rotation, oil change. So I just reset it. It says 5,000 miles, but you want to reset it, click on the oil change and go on the reset. Ask you if you want to reset, click reset, and it should be all set. Thank you very much. I hope it helped you